Unleash your inner strength. Transform your health through lifting. Are you ready to unlock a healthier, stronger, and more confident you? It's time to discover the incredible power of strength training. Strength training isn't just about building bigger muscles. It's a cornerstone of overall health and well-being. It impacts everything from your metabolism to your mental resilience. It's about building a foundation of strength that supports every aspect of your life. Think of it as an investment in your future self. Muscle tissue is metabolically active, meaning it burns more calories at rest than fat tissue. Strength training increases your muscle mass, leading to a higher resting metabolic rate. This means you'll burn more calories throughout the day, even when you're not working out. It's a powerful tool for weight management and fat loss. Strength training puts stress on your bones, which stimulates them to become denser and stronger. This is crucial for preventing osteoporosis and fractures, especially as you age. Stronger muscles also support and stabilize your joints, reducing the risk of injuries. It's about building a resilient body that can handle the demands of daily life. The benefits of strength training extend beyond the physical. Exercise releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects. It can also reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Strength training empowers you to feel more confident, capable, and in control of your life. Strength training improves your ability to perform everyday tasks with ease. Lifting groceries, climbing stairs, and playing with your kids become less challenging. It enhances your functional fitness, allowing you to live a more active and independent life. It's about building a body that supports your passions and goals. Don't wait any longer to experience the incredible benefits of strength training. Start small, be consistent, and celebrate your progress. Let's build a stronger, healthier you together.